Yeah, so good evening, everyone. So, are you all ready with the CV and LinkedIn? Yeah, let me see the chat window and see the response. Okay. Can someone be able to share their sample CV here? Yeah, so today we will be starting with the resume optimization and LinkedIn strategies. So we need to have a basic CV, like a basic fresher CV, and we will start working with the ATS-friendly CV and prompt with that. Hello?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Uh, yes, sir. 1 minute.
Anyone student, please share the resume. Please share resume. Please send this resume. The phone is.
Hello?
Ma'am.
Yeah, so I will share a sample CV and we will start working on that. So you will have to replicate all the prompts here, all the prompts that I have shared here. I will share here that you will have to give to your AI tool. Whichever AI tool you are using is fine, either ChatGPT or Cloud. But I think Cloud you won't be able to. If it's not paid, you won't be able to complete the full CV and LinkedIn task. Before that, the token will get expired. So it's better if you use ChatGPT or Gemini. Okay, got it? So I'm going to paste my current. You just need to give this prompts. So there are 5 phases for creating a better CV with the ATS keywords and all. So in the first phase, the prompt first two prompts belong to the first phase. So this 5 phases. So total there will be 12 prompt. So this is if you want your CV in a more deep and refined way. And initially, what you can do is you can just give a power prompt, like in a one prompt, so that you can get a basic, like you can just refine your CV and get a better one. And after that, you can do the prompt from prompt 1 to 12. Got it? So you have to give this particular uh, prompt in the JD. You will have to give 1 minute. I have some like AI tool limitation in my system, so I'm doing in another system. That's the issue. So you will have to paste your CV here. Okay. So let me know what you will get after giving this one power prompt. So after that, we will go each one step by step. Hope you are able to see the screen, right? Okay. So I have created a sample fresher CV. You should have like some basic details like this. Your name, just uh, basic like phone number, email, and your education details and your projects, skills, achievement, if you have taken any certifications like that. So this is one basic CV of a fresher. It's the like 1 page CV. So maximum you can make it as 1 page or 2 page. So what you have to do is, this is not a agentic AI CV or anything, but it has the basic Python and data processing skill set and all. So in your AI tool, you have to paste this CV. Here is the my full CV content. And we have already given the prompt here. This prompt, instead of as photo, we can give as prompt. Okay. So we have provided the basic CV. Now we have to give the target job description.
తెలుగులో కొంచెం అమ్మ అన్నం తినిపించింది.
Basically, I have hit my limit. So the job description, you can copy paste the same here. Yeah. Yeah, okay, Palapu, this is good enough. So after with the CV and the prompt that I have shared and this job description, so these much things you can pass to the AI tools. Okay, let me try the same with. I will take the sample from Pallapu's one. Here is the CV and here is the JD. So we will see. Okay. So now it has injected these many keywords. I hope you all have received some outputs like this. We don't need to write it as Fang style CV now. Just need to prepare this CV like this. Hope you have received this ATS score, all these details. So another one thing that we have to do is we have to create a GitHub repo, because the project that we have discussed last week, right? So I have uploaded that to GitHub. So you all, what can you can do is you can add this project into your CV. So basically you should download this project from here. I think you have done that last time. Were you all able to run that one? Able to clone the project and run it? Okay, so it has updated the CV score, everything. So yeah, so to your CV you should add this project. So basically what you can do is now you can just give my link itself. Otherwise, you just go to the GitHub and you have to create a GitHub account also. So when you now you are giving this link directly to the prompt, but you have to make it as like really you have to create your own GitHub and you have to upload this project into GitHub. So I will teach you how to create the Git and all. So that's not a problem. So the same project after downloading and running it, you can just upload it like into your GitHub in a different name or something, and then you can add the GitHub link also to the CV. Got it? So add. See, so it's saying like this project is exactly what your CV was missing. So you cannot just ingest with lot of keywords and not without any project, right? So that's why I wanted you to do this project last week so that you can upload it to the GitHub and you can update it in the project section. Basically, see, it's already fetching all the relevant information from the link itself, right? So the same thing you have to, and the remaining. So I'm just taking one of the students' CV, and you can give this as well project in the project section. So when you give, I've already said this is my GitHub link. So if you now give it in your name, if you just replace my name and give it your name, nothing, it will not work because you don't have that link, right? So you should create the link. You should now you just give these things, just these points in the project section, and after that you can create your own GitHub and paste it to your profile. Got it? So in the current project, we have just done as a basic AI agent because we have, if you remember, what we have done was we created a single agent with multiple tools. So basically, we have to create it as multi agents. So now what we did is we just created single agent and multiple, instead of multiple agent, the tool, different tools were doing the task. Just consider it as a brain, the LLM as a brain and the tools as its hands. So the research, analysis, and writing task was written by the uh, tools, tools of the LLM, right? So now we have to learn about multi agents and add the memory and also add the UI. Also, one more thing the ChatGPT is missing here is we have to create the deployment also. We have to do the deployment and the evaluation, everything. So that thing also, so that also we need to add to our CV, right? So as of now, we have not built that, but still we can we can just add it, but you should so as I have shared my GitHub CV, you can contribute to this repository if you create your own GitHub account and repository and all. So we can continuously work on that. So as of now, you just add this basic one as a single agent and okay. Okay. So with the power prompt, it has given a basic CV. So if you want to go more deep into it, you can just, I'll paste it in the chat box. So one thing that you want to do is you just need to push it to 90 plus always. So that's why, because if it's agentic AI, you definitely want to add it as multiple agents. So once you update the project, okay, I will update it later, but make the CV. No, we will go into the deeper prompts. As of now, I will share this. Why it's not getting pasted? Oh, the space will not work here? Mm. Oh no. That's weird. Why? Let me check why it's not. Oh, this paste option is not working here. How will I share then now? Oh, you got the final updated CV. That's great. Chat link. I didn't get you. Which chat link, Adila? Uh, is- Hello? Okay, chat GPT's chat link. But the basic thing is I am not able to, I don't know, it's not, this copying one is not working in the Zoom, I tried to copy the message here. Oh, okay, now it's working. Okay, did you get it? And now what you have to do is, now you have created this basic CV, right? So now you have to give this prompt again, more into more deeper one. Okay, so now with the power prompt, we have created a CV, and after that, we will be running each detailed prompt. And while preparing the ATS safe format, one thing that you have to keep in mind is there should not be any table, text boxes, and all, because it will not be visible to the ATS parser. Got it. So only when you give your CV to any recruiter or something like any companies, first it will be going through the ATS, and after that only it will reach the like real human hands. So if the ATS do not approve, it will never reach the human hands, right? So if you give like all these things that are invisible to the ATS parser, then it's no use. So the current CV and what the ATS plus recruiters needs, it's okay. So exact keyword upgrade it have given. So you should add this under your skills. So after adding his keyword, it's increasing its ATS score, if you can see. Into the skills section. So I hope you are following this and doing the replicating the same in your system, right? Okay. So this is a keyword upgrade. You have to copy this under the skills, agentic AI and systems, that section. And give this like because before when we gave our prompt, the project that we gave, it was a basic single agent with the multiple tool ones. So even though we have not upgraded it to multi-agent system yet, you have to update in your CV like this. So later on we will update the project and we can add it to your GitHub. Okay. Then okay. Then we are giving the third prompt. It's going to run a more hard ATS scan. Yeah, so as I said before, there should not be any table, columns, images, and all. It should be clean text structure. Then only the passing score will be high. Yeah, so this one we have already added this multi-agent systems, agent orchestration, and all, right? Then we can go to the next prompt. Now give this prompt. Yeah, and another thing that when I say there should not be any image or something, before when we created it, yeah, it's having this symbols and all, right? These kind of things should not be there in the CV, okay? Just take care of this because when you create something from the AI tool and just copy paste, there might be the chance of getting this kind of symbols, sometimes email symbol, and also no need to, we should not give like that. That will that will make parsing issue with this resume tracker. So don't give that. So that's why here we specifically mentioned as see now that link kind of symbol, nothing is there because here we have specifically mentioned like that. No table, not exposed, no icons, no graphs like that. Okay. So this is the formatting, basic formatting of for after creating the CV, we have done the formatting like removing all the unnecessary symbols and all. This one also I will share in the chat box. Oh, okay. So the latest CV now you are able to see, right? So it's like it's not a one-time process. Like we will be replicate. I mean, we will be recreating with better prompts. So basically, this is like kind of prompt. It's not prompt engineering that we are not building the tool, but we are working with the tool. We are using the tool. So it's a prompt for like giving better prompts for using the tool. The same kind of prompt engineering will apply when you are building the tool also. So instead of giving it directly to the UI, you will just give it inside your like inside in your code. In your code, you will inject with the better prompts. So the much better prompt you learn how to write it. It's just how you practice it, then it will come to you. So when you are working in the project and all, when you have use case and the more better you understand the use case, the much better prompts you will be able to give. Okay, so we have done till the rewriting. Okay. Again, we have to paste the keywords from T2. Remember we got some keywords. Oh, okay. If you can type also, it's fine. Siri, the final CV that you got, it's by giving the power prompt, right? Or you have given all this 8 prompts separately? Because after giving the power prompt also, it's not completed. Like, it's again the basic agentic AI CV only. So here what you have to do is in the next prompt, paste the keywords from in the prompt to we got some keywords, right? These ones. So with this keyword, paste that keyword, replace it here, and then you give the next prompt. Okay. So this is your latest professional summary. Now replace this. Okay. Okay, Siri. Yeah. Now rewrite it with this content action result format. Then oh, I did not paste the prompt here. Okay, I'll paste it in the chat as well. So now you got the final CV, right? So after that, with that, give this next prompt. See, now we give this experience as bullets with the context action result format. I'll share this as well. So in case if you are not getting the output CV as I have mentioned here, or you got any token expiration issue, or because I'm using ChatGPT Plus here, I don't know. So if you are not using paid versions, maybe it will not give the same result as like this. It may not be that much because when I try, I'm not paying all the AI tool, right? So other AI tool, when I try, it's not giving the best answers as the ones which we are paying. So you just compare with this one, with this output of the prompts that I'm pasting here, and also with the ones that you are trying. Okay. Just see which is better. Also, I just want to know how you experience after you giving, because you might be doing different using different AI tools, right? So I just want to know what you experience, how you are getting the answers. Are you facing any issues? I mean, not the answer, like the final results after giving the prompt, or is it the same like that? So just share your experience too, meanwhile. Okay. Now I'm passing the next one, next prompt. See, now it's making it like senior level 1. Okay. Okay, Palapu. Yeah, but if you just give some idea on your doubt, like what you're facing, it might be useful for others too, right? So yeah, it's okay, but if you're not comfortable in right now. Okay, so now we have done till prompt 7. We have created the skill section and have shared that. Now we will run P8 again. Oh, if you're driving, take care. Okay, fine. This eighth prompt is very important, okay? Because after any major prompt, it's really important. After giving any major changes to your CV, it's very important that you run this eighth prompt. So that's why. So these 12 prompts, right? These 5 phases you have to keep in mind, and always these 12 prompts, you just keep it with you. I will share this PPT once, and you can always. So even if you upgrade your skill set or anything, always give the updated CV first, and then on the top of that CV, you have to write it prompt without anything, like just on a blank screen. You cannot blindly give something and expect the AI tool to give something, right? So first you always have need to have some basic CV, like the CV that Pallapu shared. That on top of that, I have been running this, so that would be pretty good. He has some 2 projects written, and on top of that we can add our like AI news project also. So okay. Okay. So basically, in our project, we have to implement multi-agent systems and RAGs also. And as of now, in the CV, you just mentioned like, okay, we have done that. I don't think we will need to give this prompt name because your mostly your CVs will be less than 2 only, right? So yeah, but still you can just run that. It's fine. Since you're fresher, your CV, it's better not to be more than 2 pages. Always tighten my CV. Always tighten. I gave this like this because my CV is like 8 pages. So for making it as a fresher CV, you just make it like 2 pages because even if you make an 8-page CV, when you submit it to any company, they will know like, okay, you are just graduated from the college. There is no way that your CV can be 8 pages, right? This is they don't have much projects or much company histories and all. So when you prepare the CV, always tighten it to 2 pages. Otherwise, they will really come to like they will really understand you are just blindly. It's not true, right? You are lying. They will understand. So you should always give this prompt also. So even if why we are specifically giving like this, always tighten to 2 pages because if unknowingly if the AI tool will create more also, you should not blindly follow that. You should always ask it like you should always restrict it. What all restrictions you want, how you want to create it. So not only what you want to do, but what it should not do also you should mention in the prompt. That's the reason of giving this particular prompt. Okay. Okay. Hmm. So each of you, when you give, you should change this names. Don't forget this GitHub link name. Give your username and this name also. Place everything like personal details. You should share by. You should change by yourselves. This is just the generic one that I am sharing. So we just have 2 more prompts. Okay, so this is the same thing that I said because we are creating everything, creating the CV with the keywords, all the fancy words, everything. But have you really done the deployment? Do you really have exposure to the UI and scaling API exposure and all? So these production ready things also you have to update. So basically, everything should be in your GitHub. That's the key point. It's not only in the CV because what we usually say in companies is if something is not in your GitHub then this does not exist. You are just bluffing. Right? So they will judge like that. So that's why I am again and again um like actually like a warning only. You should definitely create a GitHub and update the project. That's very important. Without that, there is no use. So if you want, we can create the GitHub also today itself, okay? Because in the LinkedIn also you need to give your GitHub account. Okay. We have already, yeah, we have already done this actually based on the project. Just write it like that. As of now, we have actually done it as single agent and multiple tools, but now for the CV, you just write it as multi-agent architecture so that we can see how it will give finally. Okay. Okay, you got it till now here, right? Okay, then now that you have given this, ask it to give the final CV. Premium, no need to make it as premium and all because it's saying a different country style. So you just need to make it accordingly to yours only. So I'll paste it here. Oh, I didn't paste the final prompt, right? Yeah, just build the CV. That's it. Build the final CV. So this is the chat for that. If you can see, this will have the final one, final CV one. Hope you all got it. So were you all following the same steps as mine, same prompt and same job description, the news agent project, everything? Okay, okay, okay. So did you get the final CV? Okay, so finally the ATS score is like 90. You can really add more into your GitHub and make the project better, and then it can be really made like ATS score like 95 and all. So yeah, okay. And the final one is for LinkedIn. So first we did this power prompt, if you remember. With this power prompt, we created the basic agentic AI CV from your normal fresher CV. And after creating this basic agentic AI CV, then we ran the prompts, these 5 phases. Like these 5 phases, each phase we are running this from. So you just need to understand it like that. Just understand the flow, uh, like how we gave each prompt and when in which phase we are iterating it again. So in the P8 is important because there we are doing the rescoring and doing it like tightening the CV and checking the score again. Okay. So hope you got the final CV. Did you get it? Any questions? Oh, that's great. You got it like 93. Any doubts till here? Any questions regarding the prompt or anything you want to copy paste again? Anyway, I will share this PPT with your professor, so he will share it to you. Okay. And also I have some extra like workbook and all, and some rag master guides. So that also I will share with the professor. So you have to basically go through that learning materials for understanding the concepts much better. So okay, till
The
this
LinkedIn profile, ma'am.
any doubt? Yeah.
LinkedIn profile, ma'am.
Yeah, we are
For
going through that.
every participant to follow.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah, and one more thing.
Send the time, ma'am.
Yeah. And one more thing, just give this prompt also. We didn't give this because this is for the LinkedIn profile. So hope you all have created a basic you have created a basic LinkedIn profile for you. So after creating your CV, what you have to do is from your CV, from your finalized CV, ask the AI tool to create LinkedIn headline for you. Okay, so the same thing, whatever is it in your CV, you can paste it to your LinkedIn. Mhm. This I cannot experiment with my LinkedIn because mine is already like not fresher LinkedIn, right? So you have to do it with your own LinkedIn one. And I request you all to follow me in LinkedIn so that when I will share the learning materials or articles or any workshops, talks. I mean, not only mine, some other experienced people's workshop panels. So you will be able to get the recent updates through my LinkedIn. And if you have any doubt or you need some referrals in India, because I was working in India for like around 10 years. Yeah. So I can refer like to some of my friends' companies or something. So you can ping me in LinkedIn also if you want something. Okay. So, yeah, did you give that final one? The final prompt for LinkedIn. Yep. So this you can add to your LinkedIn one. I will share this. Hmm. Thank you, Palapu. Okay, so always remember the first thing is the GitHub account, then CV, then LinkedIn. Okay. So in the LinkedIn, you all I expect you all to log into your LinkedIn and write basically like, see, these are like basically keywords, right? Whatever. And I have some, like, this is a LinkedIn approved logo. Like if we have really worked on a company, like LinkedIn will approve it, like, because when we basically log in with the company's ID, so it will give that approval one logo. But as of now, you're just starting as fresher, so it's fine. But you can all the keywords that I have given now, you can just add to the LinkedIn bio section. You can give your contact information here. You can add your also one another thing is nowadays it's very easy to create your own personal website. I forgot to mention that personal website. Personal website, GitHub account, both of this. Add both to your CV and LinkedIn. So I'm not strictly saying about personal website, but it's better if you can add something, because in the personal website, basically you can give the links to your GitHub account and also link to your LinkedIn account, and vice versa. From the LinkedIn also you can give link to your personal website and all. So it's very easy to create now, create and host. So even you can create basically like HTML file, and you can upload it to GitHub, and then you can deploy it there, and you can add to your CV and LinkedIn. So in the basic like in the personal website, you just add your projects, your university project and your hobby project, our this AI Gen AI project that we did now. So it's not a like difficult thing to do nowadays, so make use of all this maximum. That's what. Okay. So and in the experience section, my my profile is not fresher, right? So as of now, what I would say to you for you is, you can in the experience section you can write it like you're starting um your your college, from your college works, your college workshops, and the projects, everything. Project add as experience instead of like adding as different companies here. You can just add as your each project experience. And internships are very important. If you have done, even if it's unpaid internship, you can add it in your CV one by one as the experience one. Also, then another thing is in the license and certification. So LinkedIn itself gives some certifications, like in the LinkedIn you can attempt some tests and quizzes. You can learn some, it will be like maybe 40 minutes, some 40-minute session or something, and you can get the certifications and all. So whatever, so from this workshop also, if you get the certifications, right? So yeah, that you can add to the to your certification session in the LinkedIn. And then whatever skills that we have now, we created based on this ATS workshop, we created this skill sets, right? So all this one that I have pasted in the Zoom link, we can paste it here in the skill section. Okay, got it? I hope you have started working in the LinkedIn, creating the LinkedIn and making it better with all those things. So in case if you face any issues or any doubts, you can ping me. LinkedIn is the easiest way to connect professionally. So connect with as many as you can. Even if it's strangers, it's okay, no problem. Okay. The final thing is GitHub. I just want to know how many of you have. So definitely for downloading my project, you might have gone to the GitHub and cloned the repo section. But other than that, how many of you have uploaded your college projects, university projects, or your hobby project, something in the GitHub? Can you just ping here? Can you just raise your hands or everyone? Because I will assume otherwise everyone will have a GitHub account. So in the GitHub, now basically I have this already this repository. So what you have to do is once you download this repo and run the application, then you go to your terminal. Git status. Okay. So I have basically pushed all my updates to this. So you should go to the terminal and you should, if you have to check if Git init. I have already initiated it in my so that's why I'm not. You have to type this command. I don't remember if I have mentioned it in the last week. And you have to initiate the GitHub from your command prompt. And you have to create a new repository here. Here. You understood, right, from where I'm taking? In the top, there is a plus. There is this plus symbol here. You have to click it and you can create a new repository. So, what name we will give? Just give a new name like you already have the news agent one. I mean, I have. So when you are creating, you can give the AI insight system or something. I will give the mm, SDLC workflow automate SDLC. It's not a good name like workflow automation system. You don't need to give the same name. Just I already have this news agent and also that's why I'm giving a different one just to show you how to create the repository. So after creating here, uh, build agent to automate the software development cycle. Okay, so just you can give a description much longer if you want, and always give the configuration as public, because when you are giving your GitHub link in your LinkedIn or wherever it is, it's not just a dummy one, right? The recruiters will definitely go and check that link. So always choose the visibility to public. They should be able to see that. If it's private, okay, there won't be any things. And also give the readme, add git ignore, add license, no need of license now, or MIT license can give, and create repository. So basic configuration, you got it, right? So this is how you create a repository, a new repository. And when you create the new one itself, it will give that readme file. And it's still loading, it's not completed. Okay. So, oh, 1 minute. Nothing. Okay. So, yeah, so this is the basic repository that you have created here. And you will be doing the code in your local, right? So this repository you have to create here, and you have to push that into your main remote repository, remote GitHub repository. GitHub is another, like, you have to study it separately, really. It has some sort of commands and all from the command prompt. So yeah, so that's it. That's the basic about GitHub. As of now, it's easy for you because you can just download my repository and you can upload to your GitHub and paste it in your CV. So that's what I'm thinking. Okay, so any doubt, any questions still here? Hmm. Any questions still here? And any questions about our last week's uh, application? We were running the, so git branch, see here, these are all some GitHub commands, like, so I have created these branches, and finally, like, for each feature I did in different branch, and finally I just merged to the main branch, and the main branch I have pushed to the GitHub. And one more thing, uh, when you download this repository, download any GitHub repository, automatically the main account will be coming. So once you download this repository, you will be in the main branch in your local, right? And if you have to move to the different branch, for example, this branch I am using for refactoring the code, and this one AI news email agent, this one I used a different model like Olama. So if you remember, in the previous week we were working with Grok API. So before that I did it with Olama, experimented with Olama, so that just to use in my local CPU only. So I don't have GPU in my system, so it was very much slow. So that's why I just migrated to the Grok. So what you have to do is you have to check out to the other branches, and you have to see the code. Or in your local, you can just check out to other branches like this, git checkout, refactoring. Oh, feature. So see, now it's switched to the different branch. So each branch will have different code, right? In this branch, it will be having the different project code. So main branch is having the final code. I have updated the final code to the main. So when you want to download and run the application, you should always be in the main branch. In the main branch, just run the application. We had already shown in the last class. So all this running process I have updated in the readme file of GitHub. So if you have any doubt, you can check into the readme file. Just follow the same steps in the readme file. You just have to first clone the repository, give the same link, like you are cloning from my repository. So these commands basically you have to follow in your paste it in your command prompt and you have to run that. Okay, so then you will be able to. Also, I have created a sample env file. So this env example, it is here in the project code now. And once you download it, you have to create a .env instead of .env example. Just paste the same thing, but with your own details. Okay, and after that, just run the agent. And creating the Gmail app password, Grok API key credentials, everything I have created it here. So now what we are doing is it's a single agent and two tool architecture. And in future we can do enhancements. Also, you can also contribute, like you can create a different, you can fork or you can add a new repository or create new branch, and you can just contribute to this repo. So okay. Okay, so any doubts regarding running the application or facing any issues, something you can ask now, you can share now. Oh,
If anyone have doubt, please raise your hand. So we interact with the man. We'll give the option to talk.
any doubt? So you all have created your CV and LinkedIn, right? I can't review your CV or LinkedIn. That's the only problem. But just want to make sure you got an idea or you created it. Okay. So
And can we close?
yeah, sir.
Is there?
Hello.
So dear participants, thank you for everyone for joining today's session. We hope you found it useful and informative. So special thanks to Ma'am Nimil, our trainer, for sharing valuable knowledge. Keep learning and applying these skills in your career. So have a great day. See you in the next session. So if you have any doubts,
Yeah, sure. So now I have already told, like we have gone to the basic single agent and multi-tool architecture. So we need to cover the RAG, grounding knowledge, and all the multi-agent systems and deployment also, because whatever we have added in the CV, we have actually a lot more to cover. So what I'm planning is like a boot camp, so that each week we will be having more hands-on, and even all the GitHub flows and deployment, everything we will be doing. So yeah, your professor will give you more details about that. So that will be giving, and we will be building two more projects, adding to the GitHub and all. So I just want to make sure you are able to follow and do the hands-on. So regarding the further workshop, your professor will give you more insights. Okay. Yeah, I will. Here I can. I don't know if I can share the PPT here. I'll share it with the professor, so he will. Yeah, right. He can share it, right, into the community or group.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Nivipin, ma'am,
Yeah, sure.
for giving your valuable time and sharing patience and excellent feedback. We had received excellent feedback from the students last week.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. Thank you all. Thank you all. Bye. Any doubt, you can reach out to me. Yeah. Okay. Bye.